I pozdrav svima ljudi, to je ono što je moj novi video. U ovom videu radimo jedan izazov koji se zove pip test. Konkretno radim ga na propadanjima, a sljedeći put ću raditi ili na skleku ili na skibu. Da objasnim šta je taj pip test. Znači, pip test je test u kojem piramidalno potičem ponavljanja u M-ovu, najkraće, da. Znači, radimo M-om. U prvoj seriji radim jedan propadanje i onda drugu seriju povećavam sa 2 i tako sve dok ne budem više mogu. A M-om radim na 45 sekundi, znači u 45 sekundi trebamo raditi određen broj repeticija. Znači krećem broj 1, znači je 45 sekundi, uradim 1 i kad uradim taj broj ponavljanja imam odmor sljedećih koliko traje, to jest koliko prođe. Totalno, vidimo se na... Prelazimo na pip test. Inače ima i tablica jedna po kojem se vodi koji ste level na pip testu. Postavit ću je tu negdje na ekranu. A mi krećemo. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Okay, to. Or will you fucking fight back? Ovo je sad na početku najgore kad ide 1, 2, ali kasnije kad se povećaju brojke to će biti puno zanimljivije i izazovnije. Okay, let's go. 3. Sad idemo 4.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and...
I dobro mislite da se kontroli šemu toga, ne moram govoriti pa.
You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they see me.
Inače, nemam pojma, to jest nemam predstav to gdje ću uspjet stići, to gdje uspijem. Jer ovo mi je čak i prvi puta radim ovo.
We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives. You create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
još uvijek nije teško. Ne postaje pit teško, tako ono, super mi ide.
Don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheme. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. That is your chance to be ruthless. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best.
Inače, nije obavezno da odmah kad štoperica obroji 45 sekundi da odmah krenete raditi. Znači možete se malo dulje odmoriti, ali morate ispod 45 sekundi odraditi seriju.
Just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing.
Sad smo sad idemo na bruho, odnosno na 10 idemo.
Ruthless. That is your chance to be ruthless. That is your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear.
Okay, 12.
I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Okay, idemo na 14.
Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. I got so many bars, call it kamikaze. Ain't nobody ever gonna ever stop me. And I know that I could be a little
16, sad već kreće bit teže.
I think you lost me, do not cross me. I keep dropping all these hits and I know that they watching. They keep showing up in my place, always knocking. Knock, knock, bitch, I've been standing right here. Been over 3 years and now you just got here. Man, get me a beer and open up the mirrors. Let me show you now what you've been missing for years. Call it premiere, I could take a boy's name and smear, or take it up a gear and end your career and make you feel fear, or make you disappear. Cause I am right here and not going nowhere. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. And when I rap, yeah, man, I snap fast. Like your girl's back, hit a clap, clap, break it in, smack. Shotty like a quick snack, like it when I'm all up in there. I'm finna win it like I win stacks. Every single that I'm in, man, it's been fat. These haters all get whacked when I spit mags. These haters all get bit in the pit fast. You better get cracked, so you better move back. Y'all don't wanna play with a pro, not today. I'ma make you wish you were gone in my A. You gon' be my bitch, be my pawn when I play. You gon' be my bitch, take a palm to the face. You know I'm in biz when I'm on fucking stage. You ain't never gonna get me to be tame. I go insane, you can't detain this B.O. when I came to stay. Cause girl, I came to play. Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt but you're okay, you learned from your mistakes. Your friends back in high school, we thought we were so cool. We'd steal Jack, my dad's stash, and drink the whole night through. The first time you first moved, dad's new job, a new roof. New student, made new friends, a new start, a new you. I guess things could be worse. Dad's in sales and my mom is a nurse. Yeah, family comes first. Remember all the good and forget about the worst. Yeah, some things will burn and others will hurt, but you can make it work. Yeah, just flash back and be glad that you can look back at a good past. Happy that you have that. I like living in the past, it makes me thankful for everything I have. Yeah, every time that I laugh, it makes me grateful for the present and the past. Yeah, don't live life too fast, take it all slowly and you can make it last. Yeah, keep all the friends that you had back in your math class. You'll be glad that you have them when you look back. Look back, look back, look back, look back, look back, look back. It's that time that you got caught. You snuck out and forgot. Your parents were so mad, but man, she was so hot. That time you got too drunk. The first time you blew chunks. It's okay, we all do so much when we're too young. The first time you held hands, your first time in romance. You thought you had no chance, but still that's your dance. The time that you moved out, your parents were so proud. And waving goodbye, they held back their tears somehow. All lives are the same, but we can work together and we can make a change. Yeah, this life is strange. Remember all the good, won't forget the pain. Yeah, think back to a day.
Сейчас sam to svi zadovoljan. Stao sam na 21, nema vez. Prvi put mi je ta radim ovo. Ništa to bilo to sa ovaj video. Ja se nadam da vam se ovaj video se svidio. Ako je, ostavite like, share i subscribe. Pretplatite se na moj kanal. I to je to. Sljedeće ću... To jest ako hoćete da vidite ovaj pip test na klekuju na skipu, pišite u komentarima. Dajte još neke priloge sa videe i to je to, vidimo se. I to inače, samo sam vam htio pokazati hajti koliko je to snijega napadalo s ova 2 dana. Znači ja sam morao sve ovo počistiti prvo da mogu raditi normalno, onak da mi da ne sapinjem. Gledajte što je ovo, ali iskreno kraj prelijepo. Gledajte ovo.